taking out this low here. Yo, what kind of name that P. Diddy? What kind of name that? Yo, change the name there. Change the name to Shannon Sharp. Change that name to Shannon Sharp, man. So I'm saying, P. Diddy, change that name to Shannon Sharp. You only give like a like up a live. I could get some more people on the human tube. For sure, for sure. But P. Diddy, you gotta change that name to Shannon Sharp, man. Yeah, respect for the likes, man. Tap up the screen, man. Give some likes to get some more people on the live. Let's make a banger today. But P. Diddy, you gotta change that name to Shannon Sharp, man. Shannon Sharp is the man, bruv. So I'm saying, yeah. see if we can get a retracement on gold to get an entry, take out that trend line liquidity up there, tapped into that supply zone, then we could take a short to sell the gold to the 4-hour demand zone down there. Let's see what's going on over GU. So that's the setup on that. Alright, so this is GBP USD. Let's see what the 1 hour is doing. It's not very much bullish on this. Alright, so very much bullish on GU here for sure. Did we sweep this high? I think we did sweep this highs here. Respect to all who coming in on the live. Remember to give the like a like, so you could just get some more people on here. We're already analyzed gold, so I'm gonna look on GU. This is our setup for gold here. I'll get back to that shortly. So I'm actually analyzing, see if we can have another setup on another pair. I want to trade 4 pairs, 2, 4, 5. So yeah, so this is the 1 hour time frame on GU. So looking here, I see we make a sweep of this high. Here, yeah, we did sweep that high. Possibly after sweeping that high, we came down and broke this low here. Definitely we did. So break that low here. Break structure to the downside on that. For sure, I have a major low here that was being protected here. So now I'm not gonna mark out that low here. Sure, this low create this high and we break that high back to the upside there. Prof Green Academy, V10 Tech. Big up on yourself. I forgive the live stream a like, so we can get more familiarized over here on YouTube, get more people on the live. I'm trying to stay on YouTube now. I'm trying to walk away from TikTok, to be honest. The TikTok space is so toxic, so I just want to stay on YouTube. The TikTok space is too toxic. So to all 7 people on the live, thank you guys for coming over. Remember to give the like a thumbs up so we could get more people active over here. I already analyzed gold. I'm gonna get back to gold shortly. I'm just looking at GU to see if we could get a possible setup on GU also. So let's see. You know, this is still the 1 hour time frame, so we have a high here. This pullback created this high here. We come up and make a sweep of that, pull back down here. Did we tap into this demand zone here? Yes, we did. Right here. So we are rejecting from a 1 hour demand. So let's go down to the 15-minute to see what that looks like. Damn, beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so now we're creating structure here. We break this previous high here. So what I'm seeing right in the 15-minute, we came down here, tapped into this 1 hour demand zone here, right? So let's mark that out. This is a demand zone here, 1H. So that's a 1H demand. HR. So That's a 1H demand zone. There we came down, tapped into this 1 hour demand zone. So we could see right after that. And this on the smaller time frame, we're gonna refine that here. So we sweep liquidity right here. Right? Liquidity there. Immediately we came up, pushed down here. We start making higher lows. So we start forming structure there. And if I mark out this high that created this low here, actually brought that high to the upside for sure, right? Where's my sessions? Let me see if that's a session high. Okay, beautiful. So we came on sweep London highs. We have liquidity resting here as London low. So if I'm looking to take price higher, I would definitely want to get in at this demand zone here, which will be a more refined 15-minute demand zone here. Then we'll have London lows, a minor gap right here to come and fill. So price could come down, tapped into this 15-minute demand zone here. Should be a 15-minute demand zone here. Then we could take price higher there. So price came, didn't sweep previous Asian high. Now we create New York. So we're going to create a high here, but I think we're going to create a higher high here based on the structure that we're forming. So if price could come and sweep this low here as liquidity, which is London low, then we could definitely look for some buy opportunity to take price higher. And this would be a nice 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. And that would be a beautiful trade there. Oh, my father. Over Human Tube, my father, man. Human Tube, my father. Respect to everybody we followed over, you understand? Remember to give the live a like, so we could get the algorithm going to get more people on the live. Yeah, I'm trying to stream live every day, especially next week. I'm gonna be consistent on YouTube, to be honest. So I'm gonna just leave. Market now move. So gold just dropped so a while ago on the market now move. What you talk about? I'm go back over gold, because I know I see gold, I see gold make a big drop. Buduf, buff, beef. I'm going to talk about this from yesterday. This is the 4-hour demand zone. I'm say I got attract price. I just forget an entry. If you take price down, which I catch an early sell last night. That the idea, I still a look. Forget another sales. You see me? If I did a whole of sales there, then everything would have good daddy. But I literally pass the phase 2 upon the next account if I did hold it. The sell on gold and GU. And I still catch the sales piece I sales last night, and I think Craps just post film. I think him did live last night when him did a nice sell. As I close my trade and go up on TikTok, I see that still nice sales. So you still a wallet, Craps? If him still a wallet, him in a good trade. You understand? But I did close mine. You see me? Bro, literally I trade 3 funded accounts in a dog, 1 live, 2 evaluation, brother. 2 of them the phase 2 for pass. Because I trade them 1-1. I'm not using a trade copy or nothing. That's I think. You see me? So I just don't want to get in any more trouble with Alpha right now. So me go and trade them 1-1. So that is it. So yeah, see in a sales pan GU. Thing is with GU, bro. GU, kind of, I don't know. So I'm set up for GU still. You see me? We have Asian highs. Just create a high here. We have London lows to come sweep for sure. So if you're in our sales, there's a good possibility the price will come take out London low. But because we are react from this 1 hour demand zone here, and start create structure to your upside, that's how we may have made. You see me? Because we have create structure to your upside. This is a 1 hour demand. So this would be it would upon the 1 hour time frame that have a nice. You see me? So me a price will come sweep London lows. This is a 15-minute demand. I'm refined from the 1 hour. This is a 15-minute demand zone here. See if we can take price. I gotta sweep these two highs up here. But it's just my thought process still. But see if you use limits on switch account. So I'm chilling stuff because where it come from. Oh yeah man. Nothing wrong with that, bro. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. You can literally chill your stops. So you're safe. So even if price reverse, it'll take you out in profit. That is it, bro. Bro, people understand that is like a top tier method of risk management, you know, bro. The aim, bro, have to preserve your capital at all points. So the moment you in a trade and it start farm structure within your direction, of course, bro, trailer stops. It's a win-win situation, you know, bro. You preserve your capital and you also make money if price comes stop your back out when your trailer stops. You understand? So this a GU, I just hope GU give me something. I look upon GJ now. Yo, I'm not trade GJ good while now, because GJ was just moving a bit shaky. But damn, look at this market structure. Woo! Damn, GJ. The market structure you look good. And if we can give you a nice pullback for we can continue uptrend, let me go upon the higher time frame, go see what's going on over there. I haven't seen GJ moving this beautiful in a while. Like, who hurt GJ? Damn. Alright, so this is a GJ basically. You know, upon the higher time frame, same way. The structure look kind of shaky, you know. Damn. Because if we look on the higher time frame structure, we are respect eyes and a break close. Because we are looking at bang, bang, bang. Respected. And we go so bang, bang. Beautiful, right? Then we can see we have an entire pushback here, which respected this eye over here. Then we did come and break this low, mark out that. So this is a trick with I always tell people, you know, break even warrior. Of course, bro. Preserve capital, fam. Why shouldn't we preserve our capital? So we're going to stay in a game long. So this is how, if you notice, you can look upon this on a structure, right? And so this is the 4H time frame. You can see the entire push and pull them. So I'm going to come back over here, so right? And this is how we caught up enough people. Them really look on the higher time frame. Because we'll go back on the lower time frame and show them something. And then we break structure again. So clearly we're in a downtrend here. Pandel 4H, right? We see these pullback here are going to be some beautiful structure on the lower time frame. All of them pullback here are going to be some nice structure on the lower time frame. You understand? Because if we go to Rukumpeng now and drop back down to the 15-minute. See? Beautiful structure. So people see this and say, damn, it's in an uptrend. You see me? But then when it hit rock bottom up at the top, probably a demand zone on the 4.8, we should have marked out. Then, but on this, me still take piece of that pullback here. In a buy scenario here, for sure. So me love to see price pullback and give me a buy opportunity same way. Break even warrior can't see nothing to your right, bro. It should be good now. Let's see, you know. What goal are going with? Damn, come on, goal. Give us that pullback, man. See what happened to me yesterday? But now what happened to me today? You see me? Yesterday, goal take me out of the first zone here as inducement. So may not be liquidity. You see me? Then price come tapping the higher time supply zone, then melt from it yesterday. So I'm going to take a small L from the first zone yesterday. You understand? But that's part of the game. I ain't even mad, fam. I ain't even mad. Like, you figured say a Friday. Bro, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Long as I not Saturday and Sunday. Risk it for the biscuit you call bravery. I mean, I'm going lazy. We are talk about father. Risk it for your biscuit you would. Face 2 and 2 account. Me need that. You see me? I think my 1% down on the life too, so I need to come back in a profit so I can reach the payout there. You see me? When I use on session goal, decide to melt after my bleach on it. Bro! And that I think, Asian session too, like when people call and I interrupt trading, brother. I forget 2 phone, like literally. I forget 2 phone. This is why I want a gaming PC, bro. If I get a gaming PC, I could literally stream from the PC itself. You see me? This me no know. Anytime I try stream live from it, it just moves shaky, brother. You see me? So I definitely have to get a gaming PC for sure. For sure. So if you don't see nobody else selling a gaming PC about the road there, on a good price, just tell them, say, yo, link up. You see me? I want a bad one still. You see me, with them pretty light where inside of them one where I can put 2 action figure Naruto inside the light part. Yeah. Yes. I want to have an official trade. I have an empty room. I just feel like I'm going to turn it into a trading room for sure. And just start streaming on YouTube live every day. Monday to Friday. So everyone who's new here, please subscribe. I'll be trading live every single day here. So a subscribe would be highly appreciated. Remember to give the live a like so we could get more people on the live. We are catching pips, right? Yeah. I'm gonna start all that trade breakdown videos and post on YouTube. I just start this YouTube fully about trading. You see me? Bro, you know, I have a group to be honest, but the thing is, every time I add, just me and my friend them trading in a group. The last time I had 200 and plus people to your group, everyone was just there for signal. No one actually want to learn. Each time me and my friend them we drop we set up or we drop educational stuff, people just never seem interested. Everybody just wants signal. If you drop a signal, say buy now, everybody message, but apart from that, nobody never really be interactive, nothing. So it's like me just delete everybody from the group, you see me? And just me and my 12 friends them alone left in a group. So because we understand each other, sometimes we go all months and no message in a group, then and next time we just kick it and have a good time in a group, because at the end of the day, everybody are focused on their trading. So we're not really active every day in a group. You understand? Somebody delete everybody from the group, bro, and just me and my friend them alone stick to a Discord. But Raheem still there. Anything Mafia say work with still. If Mafia say for free up back the group and we add back some people to your group, then we free up the Discord. Because the thing is, I did actually I gotta do a boot camp in June. So I did end up add the Discord to the paid link for the boot camp. But if you boss them, if you add some people to your group and we add up back your group, you see me? We can do that. But I still add 1 and 2 people. Sometimes some people will message me on TikTok and we drop them the link same way to the Discord, you see me? But we just, you see me? And it wasn't what it was once upon a time, bro. You see me? People value signal more. Them not value to actually learn. You see me? And that kind of annoy me. Like, everybody just want you to tell them when to buy or when to sell. But when you teach them how to get the opportunity for themselves, them never really interested in that, to be honest. So, or link me still. Whoever wanted can message me. You see me? Message me on TikTok or whoever. And me just drop them people in a Discord if they want. But P. Diddy, I forgot to change the name there to Shannon Sharp, bro. I tell you about that name, there, bro. Bro, I forgot to change that name to Shannon Sharp, father. Or Cat Williams, or, you see me? The P. Diddy thing can't work, bro. We can't. That shit funny as hell, fam. We can't add P Diddy to your discard, bro. Nah, bro. We can't add P Diddy to your discard, bro. You see me? No, bro. Come on, gold. Give us that pullback, man. Tapped into that supply, and let's see if we can catch a sell. And funny enough, there is a demand zone here, a supply zone, sorry, but I'm not interested in it. That's a supply zone right here because this zone leads to a breaker structure to the downside. So this would have been the most recent demand. So this demand zone could have been an inducement for me. That would have good. So if we can get a push from here and a next pullback here, which would chop early buyers. So some people's gonna enter from this demand zone here. So we would be waiting patiently, right? For it to come tapped into this demand zone to take price lower. So this demand zone, this liquidity zone, it would end up extended to here. You understand? So let's see if we could get some form of reaction here. Pull back here, trap early buyers, then come and liquidate all of them, taps into this overall supply, then take it lower. This is a 4H demand zone down here, which I'm anticipating price to draw to. So that's the thought process there. Yeah, that's the thought process there. So let's see if we could get that going. Remember, guys, subscribe. You see me? I go link up on. Yeah, bro, link me. Link me for them, man. You see me? I'm gonna shut here this guy link. That's no problem, man. I know what? I probably gonna do. Sorry. Next time, Monday when I go live for sure upon YouTube, I'm gonna just add the Discord link in the description and the live videos. So whoever want to join, you could just hit the Discord from there. I go up at the Discord channel away where I go vibes up at the thing, you see me? As I say last time we have almost 300 people, you see me? So I go vibes up at the Discord now. I open it back and add some people to it. Which prop firm me use Alpha Capital Group. Why I stick to them because of them I get paid from, so I can only recommend groups that me get paid from. So yeah, me use Alpha Capital. But me definitely recommend Alpha Capital and FTMO. But FTMO is just on the price here part of prop firms. You see me? While Alpha Capital, they do pay out. Alpha Capital, them good though. Them alright. You see me? Yeah, them good. Them price reasonable. I never really have I have issue with them not paying me out before, but that was an error by me. I think I made $2,000 something, and they were like more than 40% of the overall profit was made in one trade. Then them send me the link to the rules, and I never really realized that I can't make more than 40% on one trade. So Scoop DQ say funding pips though. You see me? So if you breach an account, you can't get it back from them. No, definitely not. If you breach an account, if it's a live account, like if you have a live account and you breach one of the rules, then you just now go get paid. So you have to restart, I think. So say like me did make more than 40% on one trade. Them did just zero by the account to 50k live same way though. Yeah, so I have to start back from 50k first. So basically I must reset back the account balance when you request the payout and them deny it. But if you breach it in other terms, like you breach the daily drawdown or overall drawdown, you have to purchase back an account. You see me? No, if you hit the daily drawdown, the account blows, so you have to just purchase back a next account. You have to just purchase back another account. But apart from that, I think that was the only bad experience I have with them. And I think you're going to reach a point when you start making a lot of money, them email me, say them need to give me an interview because they want to see for me I trade the account myself. Yeah, so like them look at things there. So it's like, when you make too much money, bro, you just go on them radar as Raheem would say, and them are line up a Zoom meeting with you. So you have to go verify your, for sure, say you are trade the account yourself and all of them look rubbish there. But apart from that, long as I stick to your rules and everything, bro, you should be good. You see me? You should be good. I have about 2k on a 10k account when I breach. If I breach that, it gone, bro. If you breach that, it gone. You have to just purchase back an account, fam. You see me? It's like that now. You have a 10K account and you make 2K on it. You're gone on them radar. Them are going to say, no, you're not supposed to make so much. I'm going to tell you, say you're over risk and all of them rubbish. You see me? But for me, still, bro, like, I have a 10K account now. I just try to make at least like 5 bills. Get back me the money I pay for the account, me refund, and then make a profit. So if you have a 10K account and you can make $500 consistently and get paid consistently with it, that's good. You just reinvest it back and say, all right, then next time now I'm going to buy a 50K. Then when I get a payout for the 50K, then you reinvest back again and try to get a 100K. My goal for this year, I want to get a $500,000 in funding. So I just need to get 200K accounts and 100K account. That's my actual goal with prop firms for this year. Just to get $500,000 in funding. So if I can get a 200K from Alpha and a 200K from FTMO, because I don't want to keep all of the accounts in one prop firm, because we know a prop firm can go down at any time. You see me? So you have a 200K here, a 200K there, and then I get a 100K probably with either one of them. And then, yeah, we just vibe from there, bro. And then just try to make at least, say, 2% per each account throughout all 3 accounts. And you're good. You get that every bi-weekly fee month, you probably make at least 10-20%, who to say, per month across all 3 accounts. And you're good. Even if you make 3% per each account, bro, you're good. I'm telling you. But prop firm is the way to go, bro. Like, remember, we never born rich where we can just fund our accounts with a lot of money. So we just need to use prop firm as leverage and try to fund our personal accounts. Because honestly, if we really and truly get a good amount of capital in our personal account, I honestly think because we won't have the restriction of how much we can risk. Because sometimes we get some A+ setup, but then we can't risk. Say you are trade a 10K account live, your personal thing. It's nothing for you to risk at least 5% of that. 5% of 10K would be $500. It's a $10,000 account, so for you to risk $500, it's gonna be nothing to you. You understand? But then you can't risk the entire 5% on a prop firm account, because if you lose it, then you have to blow the account. So the aim of use the prop firm for leverage our personal account. Goal, what you doing? Come on, man. So that's the goal, bro. That's the goal, to just leverage prop firms so we could really and truly just fund our live accounts, because that should be lit. That should be lit. Financial freedom, bruv. Travel, trade anywhere in the world. You book a vacation to Dubai, by London to New York session, you make back the entire money where you spend on your vacation. So, bro, trading is so awesome. The only regret I have about trading is that I never started earlier. I wish I did start from I was in my teens. That's my only regret about trading. Wish I started earlier, to be honest. For sure, for sure. I can't add the Discord link while live, or I have to wait till I come off while live add the Discord link. I'm going to drop it in the description, but it seems like I can't add it until I get off the live. So remember, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube. We're going to live stream every day over here. And yeah, trading content for sure. I'm sure you have a trading content video for drop today, and I need to edit it and just upload it for sure. But yeah, I could just build a nice community, bro. How many peers me trade? In my teens, I regret me never start from 9th grade. Bro, you in your teens, you start at the best age, man. Alright, so that's how many peer I trade. 5. I understand. So this is gold, this is GU. Come on. You come this close, bro. And this is GJ. This is UJ here now. And definitely we have EJ. So EJ, UJ, GJ, GU, and gold. You understand? Too much peer I go cause distraction, you understand? If you see your watch list is very full, then I very much, and to be honest, you don't need more than 2 to 3 pairs, bro. Max. Sometimes if one pair good, you have people who just trade gold religiously by itself. So 1 to 2 pairs, you're more focused. To be honest, when you have too much pairs, recipe for disaster. Why me that said us have 3 or 4 pairs within your watch list is just that you might come and goal and it nah give you a setup, you can move to another pair to look for your setup. If that pair not giving you a setup, you can check the next pair. But me not think ironically you have all 3 pairs and not get a setup on all 3 pairs. You understand? But if you only have 1 pair, then it's not every day gonna be a trading day. Even though I have 5 pairs here, every day is still not a trading day for me. Because if the setup just doesn't come, it just doesn't come. It's a no trade day. So I don't have 22 pairs, bro. What you do with 22 pairs? No, brother. Bro. So I have to ask a question. For the 22 pair, man, when you come on the chart in the morning, you analyze all 22 pairs? Please see Uran, New Zealand. I could go check that out for bro. Euro, New Zealand, my brother. Alright, so I could go up to. I'm look where daily I do first thing first on this pair. Bring this back in here because I can see. Alright, so we don't need rocket glasses to see that the daily is very bullish. And if I'm looking at the daily here, we break structure here, we just lose the recent price action. I need to go all the way back in data. So right here we have a demand zone on the daily. So now price come to that demand zone and I react from that demand zone. So if the daily react from this daily demand zone, we might get some form of push to the upside, right? From the daily time frame. So now we're going to jump down to the 4-hour time frame to see what it's like. So we're going to do a top-down analysis on this pair from the daily. Come right down to the ground. Just to get a clearer picture. Alright, so if I drop down to the 4-hour time frame now, remove them session indicator. Remove indicator. Beautiful. Add back my watermark up here. Nice. Alright, so if you look on the 4-hour time frame now, bring this over here, we also have a 4-hour demand zone here, which the 4-hour time frame react from that demand zone. So now we just narrow down everything to the lower time frame. After the 4-hour demand, so we're going to remove the daily demand zone now. So now we react from this 4-hour demand coming up. But when I look here, I'm going to mark out this 4-hour zone right here. Alright, that's just for reference for now. Drop down to the 1 hour. Let's see what going in. Nothing I like see, but when all of these zones line up from the higher time frame come right down. So now we have even a nice 1 hour demand zone. You understand? But then now we still can't disregard the price action and this time frame. Same way. So now we're going to zoom back out. Come back over here. So because we feel bullish on the higher time frame, now we are create structure. Remember, we always tell us that a pullback on the higher time frame is structure on the lower time frame. You understand? So this is the 1 hour time frame now. Got a D, we're breaking lows, respecting highs, creating a nice little structure there. But with this, within my mindset there, I still have to keep in mind say we're at a daily demand zone, so we might get a push from that daily demand zone, right? Even though we're quick. I remember now upon the overall we're bullish, right? And structure upon the lower time frame is just a pullback on the higher time frame. So if we react from a daily demand zone, the probability can be high that the reversal might come to an end, but then you wait for a confirmation on the lower time frame. So if you want to confirm if the reversal come to an end and we're going to continue about the uptrend, we just still have to wait upon at least this high here if we get taken out, then we can say, alright, then we can start look for buy position for continue about the higher time frame trend. You understand? So we can keep that in mind right there. Because this high created this low. You understand? So we're going to break this high now. Or we want to take out this high here. Not this one. This high here. So we drop down to 15 minutes. Because we don't need to talk too much on this. Now I actually look at all the pairs them. Sun them, mark out, zone them. So much I have just much TP and longs. Okay, bro. Should be good right here. Alright, good. So now breaking short of the downside there. We break this low here. Nice. So we break that there. We come this high, create this low. So we start breaking highest on the lower time frame. So breaking highs on the lower time frame here. What I see right here is a demand zone. The price right now still from. So we're going for the sessions. Do we have any session highs? So price come and sweep London highs here. So this sweep in a pre-New Year come down, so we'll probably come target back down London lows for take out the low here. Here. Today Friday, so the old price will come all the way back here to this discounted here. We'd have imbalance here, which is a favor gap right here also before this zone, and we'd have London low. That's a major liquidity zone here. But definitely price not come back this far today Friday. I take a miracle. Just looking into day trading pairs, which people have traded major pairs for the day. I have the day on that definitely. So yeah, exactly, bro. So like this now, me that just have this on my chart and just leave it. And just know, alright then. So I wouldn't trade this pair for sure until probably sometime next week. Just as though you would do a markout on weekends and you have a potential setup, yeah, that just leave this on the chart, you understand? So, if you man asks about you and I'm really about this, because I don't want this thing on my watch list. What goal going on with over here? Goal is like that wife or just that love-hate relationship, you know? I love goal, but sometimes goal is just an headache, you know? For sure. Literally, nobody on the life now have a gaming PC. We're not building a gaming PC from scratch and not purchase it. Whoever have one. I don't really need a game, because I just need it for streaming. I don't really need it for playing a game, to be honest. I just want it for stream. So I try to understand how to trade gold, but I don't know how to understand where it's going. Bro, you trade gold just like you trade every else period. There's no secret recipe for trade gold. So you use the same analysis we use when there's a period. There's no say gold is more. Gold always chase liquidity more than any other period, to be honest. I don't know why. So I just remember that. If I can identify a liquidity zone, I can know which part gold I go. You see me? Just like yesterday, we know say gold I go sell. You understand? But gold it come and take way out here, sweep liquidity and just invalidate the first zone, then come to the second zone, then melt. So sometimes you know the direction, you just need to get the perfect entry. My MacBook laptop screen did crack. That's why I revolve back to my iMac. I'm that shit from my laptop the other day. And then the thing is, I sleep with my computer up on the bed, you know? So it look like I roll over upon it. I'm just wake up and see the screen crack. So obviously, I don't have nobody to blame for that but myself. Because I'm man, through my trade upon it night, I just put it down upon the bed and gone on my bed and sleep. So more like I'm roll over upon it and forget up. I never use about the iMac here. But them say I can't throw away the old for the new, so I have to revolve back to the iMac. And this can't stream on TikTok either. Like how everybody else can stream. The Windows one them can stream with the whole some look foolish for them always saying it now available for Mac computers for stream on TikTok. But anything with Windows can stream over there. So I definitely need to just keep the Apple as my personal thing and just build a gaming PC for streaming. For sure. Oh, it's a Mac PC. Yeah, this is a Mac PC, Apple. I'm an Apple fanatic, you know, so I have MacBook. This one I trade pan is an iMac. You can see the Apple logo. So I kind of love Apple products, but you just can't stream pan TikTok. This anytime I start stream directly on YouTube with this, I used to stream on YouTube and before. If I go on my previous live stream, then I used to stream on it, but for some reason I don't know what happened. Every time I try to stream on it now, it just start lag. I mean I like that. So basically just invest now on gaming PC. But your gaming PC there you're free. 190,000 I say myself. But I feel like I could just buy it. Mac is more of a business computer, to be honest. So like businessmen and them things they're good for them. If I go be honest. The Mac are that type of thing. The Mac are for business people. You see me? In that regard, it's safer. All of them good stuff there. But in terms of like gaming and streaming and them stuff there, no, that Mac not cut out for that. Mac not cut out for that. And it have a look, you see me, your MacBook have a rich look with the Apple logo upon the back. Yeah, that bad. Bro, you have some very expensive, you have some Asus laptop I think where them use the gaming, some of them they're expensive. Bad, even more expensive than a Mac. Youth. But yeah, I mean. Oh, the GU are going with me. I could look back on GU. I think those are the two setup for today. GGU. GU. The volume really slow today and Friday, I swear. That's the only thing I like with days where I have news. I not trade the news directly, but I like trade on news days. Crazy volume, so I always trade after news. If not say news I come out 8:30, I definitely not take a trade till after 8:30. You not catch me in a trade before 8:30. So even if I set up play out before news, I not take it till after news. You understand? So if after news I just not get a second setup, then that's totally fine. But I love when I set up them play out after news, probably like half hour after. Because the volume be crazy, bro. Volume be crazy after news day, so I kinda like that most of the time. Take it to the max. Take it to the max. Yeah, fib was something I used to use back then, and I'm just not really fancy fib no more. You see me? I have a fib, I'm trying from the low to the high. And definitely this zone that fall within my golden zone here. I have a 0.5 zone here, I have a 0.6 goal here. Zone here. So these two will be a golden zone for me using the fib. I understand. So mind me take it from the low to the high. So yeah, nothing wrong if I use these stuff for other for like confidences, bro. So you're more confident for take the trade. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, isn't it? But I don't really use fib again. Bro, when you just start trade, I use almost every form of method. But then, you see me? Wrong one. Where is it? Here, come here. Because a fib just did make for measure the pullbacks, you see me? That's all them create fib for. Measure pullbacks. So this is a premium area, this is a discounted area. So even if I put it this way, same thing. Run it from over here. Just I come around the fib just now from this low to this high. Yeah, so basically, oh, you make your line up with the free value gap. Yeah, bro. As I said, fib was made to measure pullback levels because based upon them testing, them say 9 or 8 or 10 times when price make a pullback, when it come to that level, it reverse. Like Q-Banks use straight fib. Q-Banks have one of the most weirdest strategy. Q-Banks just use fib. Q-Bank screen blank and him just use fib. Fib levels him trade off. Straight fib levels. Straight fib levels. Q-Bank straight trade off. So, and it work for him. It work for him, it work for him, student them, and everybody I make profit. So, it all comes down to say, bro, they all worked. Come on, Goldie. I'm gonna look at Lucas Z out of the fridge, cause Gold stress. Gold move like it now want to do the right thing, so. Run to the fridge, go look at Lucas Z. All I new people in front of them, I have to drop a like, subscribe. You see me? This is gonna be one of the most fanatic trading channel coming out of Jamaica for sure. You see me? I'm gonna plan a trip in June, so you not gonna want to miss them vlogs there, you see me? You can see world through my eyes. Crazy thing, crazy thing, bro. I'll be right back. I'm gonna look some drink here. Take it to the mix. Bro, man, I come back think gold. Gold pair. In the Telegram channel, I have a Discord. Bro. Oh, damn. I have a Discord channel still where I'm going to free it back. I don't normally add people to it, but man, nice about the place. So, man, I drop my Discord link in there. Alright, hold on. The thing is, if I come off of this screen, I go blank, so I can't come off and add the link. But you can do still. I set me on Instagram or TikTok. I'm sending a link. So Monday when I come live, I'm going to ensure I put the Discord link in the description of the live video. So you guys could just add from the Discord there. But just message me, I'm going to send the Discord link. On TikTok or Instagram, it doesn't matter. Remember to subscribe to each channel, drop a like. We're gonna do daily live streams here. Create a trading family and stuff. But then we used to trade live within the Discord. Instagram, I'm write it on the screen here. Same thing on TikTok. Telegram outdated, man. As I say, when I learned trading, I wasn't in tune to the Caribbean side of things. I'm mostly in tune to the American side of things. So I wasn't even familiar there was an app called Telegram. Because everyone in Europe, America are the first world country that use Discord, because Discord have more features. Telegram is like WhatsApp 2.0. Discord is a whole different level, bro. You can live stream within Discord. You have so much features, bro. Like Discord have unlimited amount of features. You can screen share, other things. Shake it to the max. Beautiful code, more I can push. The thing is, I definitely want to see gold react from this zone. Mark it out on the screen. That's exactly what I want to see. I want to see trap the early buyers them from that first demand zone. Then come and liquidate them. Then come right up to the top zone. Then just start to melt. That's what I'm looking for. But to give the screen a thumbs up, it's highly appreciated. Subscribe and yeah. Welcome to the family, fam. GU, where you going with? Pull up on GU. Joke thing. Secret society. Every time I watch show and you hear about a secret society, always some government undercover people. Am I in trouble? What did I do? Am I in trouble? Don't arrest me. I'm just a normal guy. Fuller FX, sir. How are you doing, my brother? Fuller FX, six out dog. The sick out dog. Jaja, you. So come on. Just drink a shot of rum with some honey, my father. And you should be good, bruv. You should be good. Over here, so you think they know full. I mean, I left TikTok going, you see me? So, you can take TikTok and I'll take YouTube. See it? Yeah, so y'all can take TikTok, I'll take YouTube. I will be going live on TikTok though, just to get more people on my YouTube, but if I could get the 60 plus, the 70 plus, the 100 plus views that I get on YouTube, on TikTok, to be on my YouTube, I would be done with TikTok for good life. I would literally deactivate my TikTok and just focus solely on YouTube, which is why I want to have the biggest YouTube community as a trader from Jamaica, man. And I think I'm capable of doing that, yeah? Yeah, I very much think I'm capable of doing that, so yeah, man, I left a TikTok going, yeah, but I'm not go live no more. Bro, that's how I say. Until one night they won't board me see I break down VIX and all them stuff, fam. What are you talking about, blood? Camera not full screen, you know. Me know. Yo, you know nobody I sell a gaming PC. No, trade fix no more. 100. You hear me? Lie. Which prop firm? Liar boy. Which prop firm you have trade with? Which prop firm you have 100k with, liar boy? Hey, watch him on Google one prop firm. Been funded from last year. So that means say B so drop a foot then, my father. If you funded from last year, the B so drop a foot, you know? The B so drop a foot, man. B so drop a foot. I love why you take things seriously. Like years now, I tell us you come for Forex, but you were so fixated on just trading VIX. And I'm like, bruv, that ain't it, bruv. The VIX ain't it, bruv. You see me? We have to leverage prop firm for really and truly make. Remember, we're not reaching everything. You see me? So we have to leverage prop firm. We have to leverage a prop firm, bruv. And just try to get as much as possible. Nothing wrong with that, my father. Alright, my father, I'll be linking you, okay, sir? I will be linking you. Come I tell you, say, more one piece of ICT or the whatever concept you're trading, because you never take me serious. We're always open for little adjustment, my father, man. Long as it do the right thing, as me anything for make more stable in the market, of course. I'm down, bruv. So I'm saying, fam. From a one point of view, maybe you might be right, you might be, you know. You see me, father? Long as you can maximize my profit, them ready. Me ready when you're ready. If you up the chart at the place, me no business if them not wanna bring here. Me say, no, in behavior. Yeah, me ready when you're ready. Anytime, any place, no matter the place, me say, me I go shoot them same way. Me mother, she died just about me and then. No more back of madness, I go down. Me no have nothing to live for, so when I know if me take quick couple life with me under the gun. But link me dog, you see me? The market seems slow, but so me tell you, I have two set up and none of them now play out. The market just get dead. No volume, price hardly a push to either side on each pairs. I'm gonna go over TikTok. I'm gonna go over TikTok and you join the live. I don't want to hear you say now go live, just join the live. Come down now. That me I tell you. End that to worry. I go over TikTok. For a little lesson from Fuller. Okay, you trade on the 1 minute time frame Fuller, I think, or the lower time frame. Come over TikTok.